What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. We're out here at Expona 2024 in Chicago, exhibiting with our good friends from Fidelity Imports, featuring Perlisten as well as Primaire in our room here. I'm very excited to do a quick unboxing for you on their R5m. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, Kellen, open that puppy up.
Yeah, man. So these are going to be the R5m in white. So as of right now, there is some limited models still available in the finish white, high gloss white. But what makes that cool is all white finishes, whether it's R series, S series, D series subwoofers, is 25% off right now, which is kind of unheard of if you're looking at Perlisten. So this is a good example. Obviously, we already have one out. I mean, I personally like it better than the black. If this is going in a theater, obviously you kind of want black. But, I mean, the aesthetic look, it looks killer in white finish. So, yeah, we're going to continue unboxing here. R5m in high gloss white. We got Red Bulls. We got energy drinks falling off the shelves over here.
Yeah! Having a good time out here, guys.
So, I'm just going to get any loose items here that I see before I flip it over.
I got a little port plug.
Little port plug there. All right, we're going to flip this sucker over.
And for you guys that may be wondering what that is right there, we are premiering out here at Expona the brand new 18-inch sealed subs from Perlisten. We have dual 18s. And of course, we're unboxing these R monitors as well. But we're very, very excited about these puppies back here because we saw them at CEDIA in 2023 on like a low-key private event, and they were kind of testing to see if it was something that we thought the market would love. And obviously, you guys responded very well to that product, and now they're going to be available for purchase. You can head over to our website tomorrow to purchase these puppies. Depending on when we put the video out, it might already be live, so head over to our website.
All right, so I went ahead and stripped off the foam, but again, with anything Perlisten, you're going to have your documentation, your thank you for purchase, the white cloth gloves here. Really nice touch. We're going to skip those today, though, because we're kind of in a rush. Another cool thing, nice little touch, is this bag is in white for the white speaker. All the other speakers, if it's black, it'll be a black bag. So pretty cool. But here's what you paid your money for here. Obviously, we're looking from the bottom here, but I'm going to tip it over and do a nice little.
You see how they have those screws down there, guys? I'll show you once he rips that off, kind of how that installs.
Man, those look good.
Man, that's a beautiful speaker.
If you are looking
out,
for a just well-made, well-sounding, crazy dynamic theater speaker, and looking to get a good deal, you know, if the white isn't going to kill you, you can get a great price on anything Perlisten in white finish. Just absolutely spectacular.
And you get that DCP array, guys, directivity pattern control. It's super impressive, guys. You have to hear them for yourself if you haven't heard them already.
So what Zach alluded to, I'm going to slip these screws in my pocket here, but on the bottom of the speaker, you'll see the screw holes that will line up with the stand.
Yeah, and I just showed the bottom side of the stand for them.
Yeah.
Let's see it.
So these are going to line up a little closer to the front, as I recall. I'm trying to line it up with the edge here.
You're about perfect.
All right. That's all we want. That's perfect.
That's it. We're just shooting for perfect.
All right. So I'm going to crawl down here. See how good I did.
So
dude.
these are actually Perlisten stands, guys. We have these available for purchase as well. As you can see, this one, it's already installed. They're absolutely just stunning. Super heavy duty quality stands if you do not already have some stands. But Kellen was saying too, we have ISO acoustics. If you're looking to just set it on top of your table, we have something that'll decouple it from your entertainment console as well.
So I know I have one lined up here. I'm going to go ahead and screw that in kind of loosely there. I'm going to go ahead and line up this back one. And then all the other ones should be perfect after I do that. All right.
All right, Dreamedia family, we got to cut this one short. If you want to learn more about Perlisten or these monitors, reach out for a free video consultation. We'll take a look at your space. Maybe these are the right speakers for you. Maybe they're not. We like to really tailor packages specific to your room and your budget so we can maximize the potential of your system. We're nationwide and would love the opportunity to earn your business. Well, that is a wrap on this video out here at Expona 2024. We really appreciate everybody's support. Till next time, this is Zach and Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
All right.